Mahilig ka ba magbenta ng produkto? Are you quite old school where mano-mano kang nagbebenta ng products? O kaya naman, you tried online selling but it didn't work. Ang laki ng puhunan tas hindi ka rin sure kung mabebenta agad, masyadong magastos ang marketing. It's really hard to actually build your own brand. That is why if you wanna sell something, you can try Sitaw. Sitaw is an online cross-border e-commerce platform where you can actually earn passive income. You simply have to visit their website, sitaw.com. Sa pinakababa, click mo yung apply now and use the referral code MJ Lopez. Now, after that, may tatawag sa yung account specialist and soon, mabe-verify na yung shop mo. So, kahit busy ka, kahit marami kang ginagawa at maliit lang yung puhunan mo, pwede ito sa'yo. Ang gagawin mo na lang, pag nabenta yung products, popondohan mo. Pero, kung marami kang time, meron din silang affiliate program and you can actually refer people. And the good news is, time will come, magkakaroon pa tayo ng physical shops and maybe in the future, we can actually sell our own product in Sitaw app. Yun lang guys, be a seller now, start earning and enjoy selling with Sitaw.